Converting Fahrenheit and centigrade degrees. Fahrenheit and centigrade thermometers are used to measure temperatures. On the Fahrenheit thermometer, the freezing point of water at sea level is 32 degrees, and the boiling point of water at sea level is 212 degrees. The centigrade thermometer, also called Celsius, measures the freezing point of water at 0 degrees and the boiling point of water at 100 degrees. It is often necessary to convert Fahrenheit to centigrade or centigrade to Fahrenheit. Let's look at some examples and learn how that's done. In order to convert centigrade to Fahrenheit, we're going to use the formula Fahrenheit equals centigrade times 9/5 plus 32. If we look at this example and we want to change 30 degrees centigrade to Fahrenheit, we know that Fahrenheit will equal the centigrade temperature times 9/5 plus 32. Let's do what's in the parentheses first, remembering that this can be 30 over 1, and we can cancel out when we multiply. I get 6 times 9 is 54, plus 32, and I get 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So 30 degrees centigrade is the same as 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, you're going to use this formula when you know the centigrade and you're trying to find the Fahrenheit. But let's say we're trying to find centigrade and we know Fahrenheit. In other words, we're going from Fahrenheit to centigrade. We use the formula 5/9 times Fahrenheit minus 32. When we change 113 degrees Fahrenheit to centigrade, we're trying to find centigrade, we have 5/9 times the Fahrenheit temperature of 113 minus 32. We need to start in the parentheses first, so I get 5/9 times 113 minus 32 is 81. Since I'm multiplying, I'll put that over 1 to multiply fractions. The 9 and the 81 can cancel out. 5 times 9 is 45. So 113 degrees Fahrenheit converts to 45 degrees Celsius.
This is a plastic extruder. The plastic is extruded through a heated die head. We want to convert the temperature from barrel zone 3 to centigrade. But before we do, let me explain how this extruder works.
This is a plastic extruder, and as you can see, they're extruding this plastic PVC. What they do first is they take the plastic that has been chopped up, as you can see over here, and they put the plastic into this hopper, and then they heat up the plastic, and there's the temperature controls for the plastic, and it comes out of an extruding device. They have all different kinds of shapes, and as you can see, there's the extruder screw RPM, which is 6.5 revolutions per minute, and that extrudes the plastic. Then it goes through the water, which cools the plastic. Then it comes over here and they form that plastic. And then they have a little wheel here that counts the revolution of these rollers, which is an automatic cutoff. And then they chop the plastic off.
Let's convert the 355 degrees Fahrenheit to centigrade. This is the formula. Centigrade equals 5/9 multiplied by Fahrenheit minus 32. So the first thing we'll do, we take the 355 degrees minus 32, 3, 2, 3. So it's 323. So C equals 5/9 times 323 over 1. And 9 will not go into 323, so we'll multiply 5 times 323, and that will equal 1,615. 1,615 over 9. 9 times 1 is 9. Divide that by 9. Divide it by 9 equals 179.4. So centigrade equals 179.4. That little symbol means degree. So when you convert this 355 degrees Fahrenheit to centigrade, the temperature is 179.4 degrees. Let's do a common problem, or common number that you probably know. The boiling point of water is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's convert that. Now you know in centigrade the boiling point of water is 100 degrees. Let's use that formula. So let's take 212 minus 32, 0, and that would be 7, 8, so it's 180. So now C equals 5/9 times 180 over 1. That goes 1. This goes 20 times. C equals 5 times 20. So the boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade.
Please pause the video now and complete the problems in your workbook. When finished, press play, and we'll continue with the next lesson.